How to book your Amsterdam hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Amsterdam hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description part here. The link is look like this, or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon. After you have installed this Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Amsterdam hotel room fast and easy before you travel to Amsterdam for your vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. And when you come to Google Play Store, this is the Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Tap on Install. After you have installed this Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, tap on this Open button here, and you will open this Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app here. Look at the first row, and in the middle this icon showing hotel booking. Tap on it, and it will redirect you to the hotel booking platform, hotel room booking platform. Let me enlarge this page for your easy viewing. At the top part here, left hand side, this top left part here is for you to search the hotels in Amsterdam. First, you can input your check-in date and check-out date for the hotel and the rooms for how many person. Once you have done, just tap on search. It will list out all the hotel available in Amsterdam for you to reserve or booking. Or you can scroll down to the page, look for the list on the right hand side here showing popular Amsterdam hotels. Scroll to the list, okay, look for those hotels that you want to reserve the hotel room, okay. Here showing all got 3,971 hotels in Amsterdam. Okay, now for demonstration purpose, let me select one of the hotels to show you or demonstrate to you how to book the hotel room here. Okay, let me select, let's say I want to select, for example, this hotel. Intel Hotels Amsterdam Center. Let me tap on this video. Okay, then I can browse through the hotel picture here. Okay, showing the hotel room, hotel picture, restaurant, shower room, bathroom. Okay, wow, so nice. Okay. Once you also can read the this Amsterdam hotel description here, and this hotel got very high mark, very good mark, good for shopping, good location, fast internet, previously reviewed by 16,000 plus guest review. Again, scroll down to the page and you can read the hotel features here, and you can refer to the check-in and check-out time. Okay, and then you can look at the rating score here for this Intel Hotels Amsterdam Center. Okay, so overall average mark is 8 marks, 8 point something marks. And who stay here? Mostly couples like to stay here. Okay, scroll down, you can read the review by the previous guest of this hotel. Okay, let's say you want to book this hotel room, this Intel Hotel Amsterdam Center room. Scroll up and scroll to this part. Choose travel date. Input your check-in date. Okay, and the day. Leave the also select the check-out date. Rooms for how many person? Okay, let's say I leave it blank as 2 adults. Then I tap on check availability and prices. It will display me this hotel room booking provider. However, here showing that now currently got 3 different hotel room booking provider. Let me tap on compare 3 more websites, and it will show me more options. Scroll down. Yes. So all with different prices. Okay, I have to select one. Let's say I select this. For example, I select this Agoda Superior Double Room. I tap on it, and it will redirecting me to the hotel room booking platform Agoda after 3 seconds. Now this is a hotel room that I want to choose. Bestseller, that I tap on it, and then it will redirect me to the hotel room booking page. Okay, here show please confirm the number of guests before making a booking. Okay, scroll down, and then you can see the hotel picture, hotel name, and the map where these hotels are located. Filter room option by free breakfast, free cancellation, pay later option, pay at the hotel. Now this is the hotel room picture, and this is the room picture, city double room. You have a few different options here. Let me select this one with discount, cheapest price you have seen here showing. Okay, now this one also included breakfast. I have to add top up some more. Let's say I want to select this booking. I tap on select, and it's just happening. Okay, now I have to finish this booking, fill out this booking form within 10-11 minutes time. So at the top here, read my hotel room booking information, this hotel name, Intel Hotel Amsterdam Standard, the check-in date, check-out date, stay 1 night, 1 room for 2 adults. Okay, then on the right hand side here, showing me the prices, original price, and with discount, this is the price I have to pay. Okay, now I have to fill in my personal details. Who am I? I have to input my name first, this one for demonstration purpose. Alex King. Input my email address, Alex King, alias email.com. I have to retype my email address again to confirm. Okay. Email.com. Now phone number is optional. Country or region of residence is Malaysia. Leave it blank. Leave it Malaysia. Please take if you are making this booking for someone else. No. Do you have a smoking preference? Non-smoking. What bed configuration do you prefer? I like a large bed. Let us know when you're arriving. I leave it blank. I don't know. Tap on next page. Now on this page, I have to input my payment method. So from here, I have to select the payment method to book this hotel room. So there is an option here, few options here. Now let me select Visa, Mastercard, JCB or Amex. So that means I pay to book this hotel room using my credit card or debit card. Here, cardholder name, I have to input my cardholder name, and then my credit card or debit card number, and my credit card, debit card expiry date, and the CVC or CVV code. Once you have input everything on this credit card information here, tap on book now. Then the next page, it will show me to confirm my hotel room booking, and they will email my hotel room booking information to my email address I given just now. So okay, now once you have completed the booking, tap on done. It will exit the hotel booking page. Now you can explore more for this Amsterdam tour guide mobile app. You can tap on top places here to explore more. What are the places that tourists like to visit when they come to Amsterdam for traveling? Okay, so where to finally let me recap where to install this Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, you can go to Google Play Store, key in Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, look for this icon, or you can click on the link or tap on the link below this video description here, and the link look like this. Or you can use your mobile phone QR code scanner to scan this QR code, but you have to pause the video first, scan this QR code. It will redirect you to the installation page. Then you can install this Amsterdam Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app for you to book your hotel room before you're traveling to Amsterdam for vacation or holidays with your families and friends. So finally, thanks for watching. Okay, before I leave, let's share this video to your friends. like this video, tap on the thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, tap on the notification bell to notify you in future if I have any video post on this video channel, then you will be notified. Okay, finally, thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.